Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to sign up for Underdog Fantasy Sportsbook account. Now if you want to sign up for NBA Underdog Fantasy app, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to do so, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on a device. So if you are not connected, then you won't be able to sign up because it requires Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So after doing that, make sure that you have installed the app on a device. So if you have not installed, go to App Store or Play Store on a device to install it. So after that, you need to simply open a Underdog Fantasy app. So this is the landing page. Now you will see the option of sign up highlighted on green, and if you have already created an account, then you may click on the option of login to log. So click on the option of sign up. Now it will take you to another page. Now your location permission is needed, so you may click on the option where you are from, or you'll see the option like Underdog, Pick'em, Champions, Sportsbook, Drafts and all. Now simply choose the option which you think is good for you. Now by choosing the location, it will show you the games and features available in your area, so you may click on the various option or choose the option from where you are, and it will also show what are the features or the places available for it. So after that, you need to click on the option of share location, and you may after that you'll get up to 1000 in bonus cash. So by creating an account, so you need to enter the email, you need to enter the password, and you need to enter the username while creating the account. And if you have a promo code, then you may click on the option of add promo code, and after that you need to click on the option of create account. So by doing this, you'll be easily able to sign up for Underdog Fantasy account. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.